So before, it was $20,000 and 200 transactions in the year. Now it's supposed to be any number of transactions with a total of $600. But it's now being delayed.
Hi, I'm Bette Hochberger, CPA, CGMA. This channel aims to educate you on tax, tech, crypto, and finance-related news. Come learn how to grow and keep your wealth.
Today, I will discuss the news that we've all been raving about. It looks like the IRS announced there will be a delay in implementing the $600 reporting threshold for third-party payment platforms Form 1099-K. Woo! Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering, what's a 1099-K form? And what are third-party payment platforms? So third-party payment platforms, it's a fancy name for things that you already know, such as Venmo, eBay, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, and many more. Those apps that help you move money from person to person, business to business, person to business, etc. So what's a Form 1099-K? Well, this is an IRS reporting form. It contains information for your taxes about the gross number of payment transactions that you had on one of those aforementioned third-party payment networks when your amount exceeds $20,000 in the previous year. So, for example, you had received this form in 2023. If back in 2022, you received $20,000 in payments for goods or services through one of these third-party payment networks. So what does this all mean and what changed? The American Rescue Plan Act reduced the 1099-K reporting threshold from $20,000 all the way down to $600. So $20,000 to $600. It's a big change. Under the act, a third-party organization must report third-party network transactions paid in 2022 with any participating payee exceeding a minimum threshold of $600 in collected payments, regardless of the number of payments. So before, it was $20,000 and 200 transactions in the year. Now it's supposed to be any number of transactions with a total of $600. But it's now being delayed. So who does this affect? The new threshold mainly affects third-party settlement organizations and e-commerce platforms. Think eBay and OfferUp. However, this also includes individuals and small business that use these platforms. Many companies who use third-party payment networks are celebrating, as they will not be required to report the 2022 tax year transactions on a Form 1099-K to the IRS, or the payee for the lower $600 threshold amount enacted by Congress as part of that American Rescue Plan Act. In addition, contrary to popular opinion, the law does not track personal transactions such as costs of sharing rides or meals or birthday gifts. So when did the IRS announce this? On December 23rd, 2022, the IRS announced the reporting thresholds for third-party settlement organizations and e-commerce platforms to take effect for the upcoming season. Then on January 3rd, 2023, IRS updated the timing in response to the public's concerns. It is a big concern. I think everyone should be concerned. To help smooth this transition, rather than just jumping right into it, they're now delaying implementing the 1099-K changes, hopefully giving clarity to taxpayers and tax professionals like myself in the industry. However, the existing 1099-K reporting threshold of $20,000 in payments from over 200 transactions remains in effect. Woo! So don't worry if you split, a couple of meals with friends and you Venmo'd each other, you're not going to have to report it on your taxes. They're pushing this all off. If you are an e-commerce seller or you sell a lot online or you collect a lot of payments, you might run into that $20,000 threshold and the 200 transactions, but it's not going to affect people with their personal transactions and in small amounts. So thank you for sticking around. I hope you learned something new. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue improving your tax and financial literacy. Bye.